Hey all you cool cats and kittens. I've had a lot of people calling for me to do a tutorial on high-end cafe style coffee art on coffees. Every morning I make my wife a coffee and I do some art on it. She posts a picture and the people love it. So I'm going to show you how. It's not actually that hard. And I figured that might get you off my back. Here we go. Some of my previous work. This is a little squirrel going for a hunt. And my wife's favourite, small alligator in an old school plane. And then you have your seasonal art. This one for Easter. See the little bunny there peeking out of the cup? Now all you'll need is one of these, a milk frother, and some of these. Dairy Dale seems to be the best, highest fat content, preferably close to its expiry date or just after. A lot of people don't realise that cafes really push the soy coffees for the velvetiness of the milk. Makes it easier to do their coffee art. It's not a flavour thing. Probably can't believe their luck that it's taken off, really. Then you add the milk to the coffee, and remember, you don't have to get it right first time. It doesn't have to be perfect. You get a chance to create the picture with the back end of the spoon. I'll show you. So you've got two parts to the coffee. You've got the dark fluid, which is the coffee, then you've got the milk, right? Our soy milk. What you do is you choose the position in the cup where you pour most of the milk in. I go for the middle, because it does discolor the darkness with the white milk. We're going to create the picture with the white. Most pictures use the middle of the cup, so it's a safe place to get a little bit of white in the middle there. That's a start of something there. Now, today I've chosen to go for a unicorn. It's my kid's favourite. Everyone likes a unicorn. Hearing that a lot actually, you're my unicorn, amongst couples. So, swirl the last bit of milk, go for the general outline. I'm just doing the top end of the unicorn. Is head, mouth, front feet, little unicorn there. Back into the spoon is your front end. Flick that around. This becomes your, what they call a barrister's paint broth. We take the colour and overlay the white, okay, and start to shape it. We need an eye, so we get a bit of the dark coffee and put that where the eye goes. We need a mouth. Right, we need some detail to the feet, spirals on the horn. I know I make this look easy. You're not going to get it first time, but you will. Just keep bringing in colour where you need it. If you need a bit more foam, obviously you can get that too. This is his mane. Probably getting in a lot of trouble for this. This is a real barrister's secret. A lot of them can't do it as quick as me either, but it's surprising how quick it can be done. Most important thing is not to have any distractions. You need to focus a lot. No kids, put them in front of something else. We'll do it after they've gone to bed. It's coming together nicely. And there you have it. A little unicorn on a coffee. Well, technically a uni-peg or a pegacorn, as they call it. One with the wings. Not my best work, but it's all I've got time for today. So there you go. You'll never have to ask me again, just do it yourself. Keep your family happy, keep yourself busy.